Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to adjust NA Miata headlights. First, let's gather our tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a measuring tape, and a marker. Park your Miata on a level surface, approximately 25 feet away from a flat wall. It is also important to ensure your tire pressure is set correctly for the most accurate headlight alignment. This preparation step is crucial for achieving precise results. Now, let's prepare your vehicle and the wall. Measure the distance from the ground to the very center of your Miata's headlight lenses. Use a marker to draw a horizontal line on the wall at this precise height. Next, measure the distance between the centers of your two headlights. Mark two vertical lines on the wall, spaced apart by this exact measurement. These lines will serve as your aiming targets. With your target set, it is time to adjust the headlight height. Locate the vertical adjustment screw, typically found on the back of each headlight assembly. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, turn the screw to raise or lower the headlight beam. Aim for the top edge of the low beam's brightest point to be slightly below your horizontal line. This ensures proper illumination without blinding oncoming drivers. Finally, let's fine-tune the lateral aim of your headlights. Locate the horizontal adjustment screw, which is usually positioned close to the vertical one. Turn the screw to move the headlight beam left or right. Adjust the beam so its brightest point is perfectly centered on the vertical line you marked earlier. Repeat this precise process for both headlights to ensure optimal and safe illumination for your driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.